Since 2 decades, we have been writing an untold story in the world of ceramics titled Lavish Wall and Vitrified. We have sketched the epitome of finesse in the ceramic industry. Under the brand umbrella of Lavish Group, we nurture other sister concerned brands like Lavish Ceramics, Liva, Lavish Granito, Liva Minerals, Silk Ceramics and Lakme Vitrified to redefine the look and feel of the space by adding grandeur and splendor to the lifestyle. This is what pushes us to offer the best of quality. On the other hand, it is too irresistible to escape from a state-of-the-art affair we have with our floor tiles and digital wall tile to serve every corner of your decor's appetite. We carry our visionary legacy into the products as we craft the finest glazed vitrified tiles, double charge, soluble salt nano and digital wall tile. At Lavish, there is no looking back as we have covered a long way to multiply our manufacturing capacity to almost 5 times of the past years from 3.5 million square meters to 15.59 million square meters. We are one of the first in the nation to introduce a Spanish inkjet technology for the digital wall tiles printing. And our manufacturing plants are equipped with latest Italian and Spanish technology. Therefore, we are far more ahead than the rest in equipping the best of machinery capital to ensure our quality. Our 9-step manufacturing process integrates the quality analysis, right from the mixing and grinding the finest of the tile ingredients till polishing and squaring. Each tile is characterized by high durability, easy maintenance, chemical resistance, near to zero water absorption ability. By prioritizing the innovation, we rigorously ensure to match the global standards and strive to reach and develop the unexpected, as we are one of the only Indian companies to comply with all international certified standards like European Conformity, ISO 9001-2008, 14001, 18001 and Green Council, India. Tiles are like precious gems to us. Therefore, we glorify them the best way we can. This belief opened our doorway to the European market with participating in Sevilla, Spain, while Big 5 exhibition Dubai helped us to stretch our arms in Middle East countries. And now, as it stands, we export our products across the various countries in Asia, Africa, Middle East, Europe and Latin America. We are more than passionate to reinforce our footmark globally with our exceptionally well-crafted art of brilliance. The height of the brand is matched by the width of the foundation, which means 700 plus people working with a common dream of success. 6,000 plus tiles designs developed in-house. The products are exported to more than 20 countries. An impressive production capacity of 43,000 square meters per day. 700 plus dealers across India entrust us for excellent quality on what others believe as a mere piece of vitrified tiles, and we call it a sheer piece of liberating canvas.